In this video, I'll show you how to install your ink inside of your HP Smart Tank printer. This one over here is the HP 31 and the big black bottle is the HP 32 XL. This has more ink since you're probably gonna use more black ink. Let's get started on how to do it. Obviously, the first step is to open this package. You don't need any scissors, just need to do this. So one important thing is to put the right ink into the right tank. So over here we have yellow, we have magenta, blue, and black. Do not mix them up. And it's very hard to do so, but I'm just saying, since if you mix them up, well, it will be a bit hard to remove the ink afterwards. So over here, let's start with the black ink. As I said, this bottle is bigger than the other ones and you won't use the whole bottle. You'll have to keep it somewhere else. So open the lid over here simply by swinging it this way. Take your ink bottle, open the lid as well. And now all we have to do is to place it upside down on the nozzle over here of the printer and then push it slightly, because over here you see the bottle has a seal, so the ink does not flow. This is why we need to push it slightly. So let's do it together. I'm putting it over. Let me turn it this way. And then all I have to do is to push it slightly. You really need to hear a small click. And then you're going to see the ink going down in the bottle and the ink levels going up over here on the printer. Usually it takes about 15-20 seconds for this to happen. So just be patient, do not touch anything, do not squeeze it, do not shake it. It's able to do it by itself. If it stops while this tank is not fully refilled, then you can try doing small turns like this. But otherwise, just let it do its thing. And after 30 seconds, when you don't hear anything going on and you see that the ink is full, you can remove the bottle. So just need to pull it out. And you're gonna notice there is still some ink here. Put the cap like that. And make sure it's staying tight. Now this ink, you're gonna store it somewhere dry and out of the sun. This way, once your black ink will be all consumed, you'll be able to come and refill it. We can close this lid, and these are not clicking, so don't worry if you do not hear a click when putting back, it's still closed well. And now we're gonna do the same thing with the color ones. Next one, the cyan. Same thing, we open here, take the bottle, remove the cap and put it upside down until it clicks. And wait. Once it's done, remove it, put the cap back. And this one you can discard it, since as you see here, there's absolutely no ink left in these smaller bottles of 50 milliliters. Close this cap. Let's do the magenta. And finally, we have the yellow one. And we're done refilling. Now you can close this lid and wait a few seconds.